Okay, y'all, I have the best, the crispiest truffled buffalo wings. Let me tell you how it's done. First, we're gonna dry off some chicken wings and or drums. Place them in a bag, and we're gonna make the oil for those wings. This is how it becomes crispy. We're gonna put a little Cajun seasoning, a little truffle on it, then our oil, mix it up, and pour it into our bag. Seal the bag well and completely coat all the wings. We're gonna put them in the air fryer at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. They should be perfectly crispy when they come out. If not, add 5 more minutes. But while it's cooking, let's make the sauce. Use a bottle of wing sauce and your truffle powder. Heck, put your truffle powder in all your sauces. Coming out of the air fryer, use your tongs and put them in the sauce. Toss them around and they're ready to go. Go ahead and plate them and let the boys get at them. For the full recipe, check out farmerfranny.com.